Hello you guys, my name is Suj, and in today's video I have some happy mail from Cloudy Money that I will be unboxing, and then I will be cash stuffing $2,556, and this is coming from my second paycheck of July. So I'll go ahead and get into this package. I got a mini savings for the summer, and then I have cute little, oh my gosh, this is like a little camping bear. This is adorable. So when I lived in Colorado, I used to go camping. It was either camping or snowboarding every weekend. And that's something I miss so much here. I sold all of my gear, like pretty much everything that I own before moving here, so I have nothing. It makes me so sad. And then these are her teller slips. And then a thank you card with all of her socials. So on YouTube, she is Cloudy Money, and then on Instagram, Cloudy Budgets. I am a little upset because after I placed this order for her rainy day challenge, she came out with a new design and it's so adorable. So this rainy day fund has Pachaco on it. So adorable. So I want to keep my emergency fund as like a true emergency, and then rainy day for just like the little annoying expenses that come up. And then I got some more envelopes to add to my travel binder, and I'll explain to you guys what each of these will be for. So I have a tab under family, and I will be putting in Arkansas. So this is where my parents and all of my dad's side of the family is. So New York is also family. This is where Pedro's mom is and his side of the family. So I wanted an envelope to be able to save for that, to visit them. And then at the very front, so before all of these tabs, I wanted to add travel essentials, and this will be for saving for anything like pre-trip wise. We're planning to go to Puerto Rico in March for the World Baseball Classics. I think that's what it's called. And my boyfriend is half Puerto Rican, so I have never been to Puerto Rico, but I would like to start saving to go more regularly. Under bucket list, I am adding FIFA World Cup. So the World Cup is coming to the States in June to July-ish of next year, and this is something me and Pedro are both so excited about, so we want to save for that. Ideally, we'd like to take off for like the whole like 6 weeks or whatever that is going on and just travel around to different cities, and if we're not able to go to an actual match, then at least like go to a bar or something and watch it and tailgate with people. And then the last one is friends and family. And the idea of this envelope is whenever I have like friends to visit, or if they want to like come visit me, or family even, apart from like family vacation, I will have money saved in here. So that is it for the travel binder. And then I will be adding the rainy day fund into my matcha binder. So I have emergency, and then Christmas, winter, birthday. I'll put rainy day behind all that. Okay, now on with the cash stuffing. So I have $2,556 here, and I'll count this up. So I just have one $1 bill. Total is $2,556. I want to start with my storybook because I haven't done this yet, and I thought it would be fun to go through and start filling the envelopes. So I have some categories here. I have moving expenses, so the money that I am putting towards savings challenges, once I finish a savings challenge, I'll just add to here. And I have a water bill. So I moved into this apartment in November of 2024, And now it's mid-July 2025 and I still haven't gotten a water bill. Like, I heard it's a quarterly thing here, but they keep delaying our water bill and I have no idea how much it's gonna be. So I'm estimating that my half of the bill for the year will probably be around $420. So I will be putting in $50 today. And today is the 16th. So I want to just like slowly start saving for this so that I'm not, you know, shocked with a huge water bill that's gonna come like later in the year. And then the next one I have is my nursing license. I am planning to save about $220 so I can get my New York license in case I want to work in New York when we get back. I have a compact nursing license, so it covers several states, but New York is not one of those that are covered, so I would have to apply for it separately. So today I will be putting in $55. My goal is to pay for the nursing license by, I think, by October. So I should have about $220 by then. And then the next one is Go Bills. So Pedro and I are a really huge Buffalo Bills fan for football, and we're just really excited for the season to get started. There's a game around Christmas time that we really want to go to. So it's between the Eagles and the Bills in Buffalo, and I want to save for tickets to the game. So my goal is to save about $500. And today I will just be adding $65. And then I have my credit card annual fee. I will be putting in $75 today. This one is gonna be so expensive, but I want to just put in a little bit of whatever I can. Today, I'm putting in $65. And that will be it for stuffing my storybook. So I've changed some things around because this binder was getting very bulky. So I used to have my savings challenges in here, but I moved that to a different binder. I think that's better because this is getting so bulky. For shared bills, this week I will be putting in $651. So I have 651 going in here. So now I have 900, 1,000, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 1,018 in shared bills. I typically need around like 1,700 a month for all of our bills. For personal bills, I will be adding 120. And this is just for like my phone bill, nursing insurance, and all of my subscriptions. Groceries this week will be getting $60. So now groceries has 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 123. So $193. Household will be getting $10. And I know I need to buy a couple of things, so I feel like everything runs out around the same time. So I need to get some shampoo, laundry detergent, toilet paper, maybe some dishwasher pods too. But yeah, it's always like around the same time. So I have 10, $20, and $30 in household. Food and drink will be getting $170. So I have 100, 200, 300, 21. Pedro and I continue to spend so much in food and drink. It's so annoying. I used to pay for all of our expenses. He would pay the bill, so like rent, everything, and then I would just pay for all of our like food, drinks, anything that we did. But then we started splitting everything in half. But I still feel like we were spending so much in here. Like, what the heck? Activities, we'll be getting 40. And this is for just like tickets to a game or getting snacks at a game or little things like that. Just to keep it separate from like spending and eating out. So activities now has 20, 40, 60, 65, and 66. Our next upcoming activity is, I think it's a rugby match coming, it's on the 22nd, and Pedro has been talking about it. He's really excited for it, and we haven't gone anywhere in a while, so I'm saving up for that. Transportation is getting 50. So 50, 100, 110, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $119. And I don't drive while I'm here. I take public transportation, so I take a lot of trains and trams, and occasionally I'll take an Uber from work if it's really late, so that's what that's for. And then miscellaneous, I'm not really saving for anything here. It's just, I think I may treat it as a buffer if I go over on any of the categories. And so today it's just getting 5. So $15 in miscellaneous. So for treat, I will be adding $15. Treat has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, and 52. Treat covers all of like the gummies that I get, ice cream, little snacks that are separate from groceries. And I'm really trying to spend less, but I've been upping my budget lately because I just spend a lot out of here. It is what it is. Spending is gonna get 130, and this is because I wanted to buy some shoes. 130. I have 120, 30, 35 in here. Apart from like sneakers and just casual shoes, I don't have anything nice for the winter. So I really want to buy like some black booties. And then I also want to get like some new like winter clothes for going out. I don't want to just keep wearing like sweaters and sweatpants and stuff like that to stay warm. And then social will be getting 130. Oops, I see that I've already messed up somewhere. I should have another 10, but I'll go back and figure out where that needs to come from. So it should be 130, but I'm putting in 120 now, so 220 for social. So I have a coworker's birthday that's passed, so I need to unstuff this, and then I have another coworker's birthday that's coming up, so I want some money for that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was looking at the wrong thing. So it's not 130 that this one gets. That was for spending. Social is getting 150, like just a $50 bill. So now I have a total of 150. And then self-care, I'm not particularly saving for anything. It's getting 5. So now I have 10. Just want to slowly start building up in case I do want to get something. And then Pedro, there's a lot of unstuffing that I need to do from here because his birthday passed and we went to Sydney for the weekend, and that was really fun. I paid for a really nice hotel near the Opera House. So the views are amazing, and then he has a couple of friends there, and one of them just like grilled for us, and it was just so much fun. Like the food was really good, we played some games, and it was just a really chill weekend. So Pedro is gonna get 150. And like I said, I do need to unstuff probably like all of this soon. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 600, 700, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $708 in Pedro. Emergency fund will be getting 200, and that's my goal for every week, just to add 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $600. And this envelope is from Callista over at Cloudy Money as well. It's just so good and so nice. I love it. Then for Christmas this week, I have been aiming to do around $40 every week. So that's 8, 4. I'll do this 10. I'll do this 10 as well. So now I'm at 32, and then this 8. So that gives me 40. So $40 into Christmas. And we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 icons away from finishing this, and we'll probably get to that next week. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So $119. And the quality of Katie's envelopes from the Fancy Dollar is so nice too. I feel like I can stuff like a good bit and it still stays really tight, as you can see. And then for winter this week, I will be adding 5. I love the idea of having a seasonal envelope because it just covers like, you know, small items that you don't think about budgeting for. Like recently I had to buy an umbrella, and I've also bought like a huge scarf, and those were like very small amounts. So I'm just adding on to this. So $5 this week, 5, 10, 11. And this isn't an envelope that I plan to have at all. I just wanted it because it was cute. I ordered it from the Fancy Dollar, and I am really loving it. I want to continue to incorporate like the seasonal challenges into my setup. So for like summer, it could be for sunglasses, sunscreen, things like that. Winter could also be for like New Year's, little accessories. Could be for small Christmas gifts. I don't know. How much does this save? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, about like $80. I feel like that's a great amount. I think that's it for the matcha binder. Yeah, so next time I need to remember to budget out for my birthday, rainy day fund, and we'll be all set. So like my binder is already so thick, and I'm glad that I took out the savings challenges and put it in a different binder because it would have been really hard to have all of that in there. So for my travel binder, I will be going into camper van and putting in 460. So that's going to be like one of the first things that I need to purchase for my New Zealand trip. 460 actually. It's 460, and I don't know where the 10 is. I messed up, but it's okay. I'll figure it out. So in camper van, I have 1, 2, 3, 400, $500. And then the next one will be friends and family. So I've been saving for friends and family into family vacation this whole time. I will be taking this out and putting it in here now that I got the envelopes for it. And friends and family will be getting 150. So now I have $100, $200, $300, and $400. And I'm saving for whenever Pedro's mom comes to visit us here in Australia before we head back. So yeah, that's what that's for. Okay, so I have $20 left, and I don't know where that needs to go or where it didn't stuff, but I'll figure it out off camera and fix my envelopes. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little Happy Mail unboxing and stuffing into the new storybook savings. Be sure to say hello in the comments, and I would love to hear from you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.